It's the first time we meet in person after 3 years.
There was a great amount of joy and of commozione, of emotion in being together again.
I've learned so much in the past 24 hours just from the exchange with my colleagues. It's like having a crash course in a arts university.
I think it's hard to overestimate how important it is to sit in a room alongside our fellow jurors, and the nature of the discussion and the disagreements. The level of disagreement, I think, is important. It really puts one on one's toes, to think about what's really at stake in this prize.
We were all struggling to reduce the number. I mean, we should give out about 5 or 6 prizes in my view.
We decided to give the prize this year to Senga Nengudi, an artist who has not been very widely seen, but she has been very much admired by younger artists.
Born in Chicago, she moved to California at a young age where she studied, and her works have only recently been looked at as they should.
The choice of Senga Nengudi is timely and wonderful. She's an artist who has worked above all with pantyhose, filled with sand or other materials, making a form of bodily-based sculpture that has a kind of dance-like component to it.
They have an incredible vividness. From the outset, it's really performative sculpture.
Very transparent, very light, but also very kind of strong presence herself, but also shared by many people.
I'm extremely happy that the jury all agree on selecting her. She brings such a freshness to the sculpture language. It's time really for her to be celebrated.
There is a gap that has to be filled in the history. She's holding that spot. She's holding this gap in a beautiful and meaningful way.
It's not a Lifetime Achievement Award. It's very much about the work that she's been making recently, as well as the work that she was making 30 years ago. But it is this model of an artist who is interested in performance, has used photography, thinks about her own body and ours, that gives us the sense that this is the moment to award the Nasher Prize.